Hello, welcome to It's Natural. It's Patty here. We are going to be discussing how I do sprouts, and specifically lentil sprouts, in the comfort of your own kitchen. It is very easy. You will only need a few items. You will need, of course, a mason jar, and I used a pint here, cheesecloth or a nylon hose to cover the top of the mouth of the mason jar, and lentils. And you are going to need to do some prep work. You will need to rinse and soak your lentils for at least 24 hours. I go as far as 48 hours, and I leave it in the fridge. You can put 1 teaspoon of baking soda in the mixture of water, and that will help reduce the flatulence. Now, this is the first day of the sprouts, and look, it already sprouted. All I did was, you need to put water in this first in the morning to rinse it out. Just shake it up a little, and then evening, rinse them out. And again, this is day 2. So remember, just fill up the mason jar with water, give it a little swirl, and pour out the excess water morning and night. And look, the second day already, you can see the sprouts are just starting to just grow and grow. Why you want to rinse them morning and night is to prevent any mold. It's very important that you want to do that. You want to make sure that they are in, it doesn't need to be direct sunlight, but it needs to have some type of sunlight on the mason jar. And this is day 3 again, morning and night rinse. And this is the final day 4. Look at how much. It started at the very bottom of the pint jar, mason jar, and it's all the way full. Amazing. So again, rinse them out in the morning, rinse them out at night, and then on the final day, rinse them again. Thank you for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and watch the next video.